Hello, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will discuss how to fix YouTube on smart TV. This is how to fix it. The first thing is to check if your internet is connected. Go to settings like this. Click on settings. Check your internet. Now you can see the Wi-Fi. Mine is connected. Then you can check if the YouTube is fixed. Alternatively, you could unplug your smart TV from the power outlet and wait and plug it back for like a minute. So we're going to do that now. Unplug it like this, wait for 1 minute and bring it back. Now we would allow it to restart. This will clear temporary software memory issues that might have been incurred. Now we will wait and check if our YouTube is working perfectly okay. Any of this does not work, we are going to uninstall, update and disable YouTube. Go to settings, go to apps, then we'll go for YouTube. When we're there, we are going to look for uninstall updates. Click on it and I'll click on OK. Allow it to uninstall. Next, we'll disable or uninstall YouTube in some TV. Click on OK, then it's disabled. Now we want to enable or reinstall it. So you go to Enable Session, click on that, OK. At this time, you may need to open it and sign in all over again. Now the YouTube is opening and there's option to sign in. I'm going to sign in with my phone. Allow. I use the scan code. Now it's opening. Now my YouTube is working perfectly and the problem is solved.